What's going on, everybody? It is Garrett Fankhauser back with you guys. Happy to be back with you and drop another video. Today we are going to be covering SEO and keyword research, in particular how to find long tail keywords. So a long tail keyword would be something along the lines of AR-15 for sale near me, AR-15 for sale your city, AR-15 your city, right? So instead of just having that single keyword of like AR-15 or gun or whatever, it would be gun shop your city, your zip code, right? Whatever it is, it's a long tailed keyword. I'm going to show you guys a really cool tool and how to use it, right? So we're going to get started by going to the Chrome extension store. I don't use Chrome, I use Brave, but it is built off of Chrome, so you can still use the Chrome extensions. If you guys use Safari or something else, just go to whatever extension store that you guys have. Okay, so what you're going to do is type in keywords anywhere. Keywords anywhere, okay? So you're going to look for this one right here. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to show you the install process. But basically what you're going to do is follow the rules. You might have to go to their website and like create a free account or whatever. But this is not something that you have to pay for, right? See right here, you can pay for stuff. I'm not paying for anything, right? So what happens though is you end up putting it up here somewhere. It's attached up here somewhere. And then when you go to Google and you search, it's going to show you guys have probably seen this before in a lot of my videos. It's going to give you a ton of data based on that search. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so you're going to go gun shop, right? Just gun shop, right? We're not going to do near me, right? You can see right here Google is actually providing us with some long tail keywords, right? Gun shop in Casa Grande, Apache Junction, Goodyear, right? So these are some long tail keywords. What we're going to do is hit enter on that, and we're going to start seeing the guys that are closest to me show up here. So here is your keywords everywhere info over here though. I also have some other tools that show some stuff over here. Don't worry about that for the time being. I'll cover that in another video. But over here, right? So see right here, it says find long tail keywords for gun shop. SEO difficulty 55 out of 100. Off-page difficulty, on-page difficulty, right? So it gives you some SERP data right here. SERP is search engine results page, right? So if you guys ever hear me say SERP, that is what that means. But check it out. Here is trending data for the keyword gun shop. Look at 2012. 2012 was the biggest spike right here, right? But even July 2020, right? March 2020, huge spikes. But check it out. As we cruise down, we can actually filter some of this stuff, right? All organic results. So there's a bunch of stuff in here that we can filter out. But here is where we start getting some cool keyword stuff, right? So we have related keywords. This is going to bring up all the keywords that are related to the search that I just searched for, right? Gun shop near Prescott AZ, that's where I'm at. Near Prescott Valley, that's the next town over. Online gun store, right? So these are all related to the search that I just did. People also search for, so again, this is a very similar one, very similar. But if you were optimizing your website for like gun shop near Prescott, Arizona, gun shop near Prescott Valley, Arizona, you could also come to some of these trending keywords right here, right? So these are trending keywords. Looks like some not fun things happened at Bud's Gun Shop. Sucks to see that. But some of this stuff, right? SIG P365 is a hot search right now, 43X. The other day there was like Springfield Hellcat. Check it out though, right here, long tail keywords, right? Gun shop, pawn shop. Okay, I would never expect those two terms to, go right along with each other like that. Sorry, I hit a key and it moved the screen. Gun shop, the barn. I'm not sure what these mean, but depending on where you are and what search terms that you're putting in, this is just a very general search term. But you can use this area right here. You can use the autofill that I showed you right here as you're typing, And then you can use keywords everywhere to gather a shit ton of data, all based around that one search that you did. And then what you do with this stuff is you can actually put this in like a spreadsheet. And when you're going to optimize your site, you can make sure that any of these that are relevant to your business, any of this stuff that is relevant to your business, you can SEO optimize your site around those keywords to get yourself to rank higher when people search for those key terms. Okay, that's the whole goal around this. Most of you guys will probably install this extension and not use it very much. That's cool. If you do use it, it will help you. This is primarily for SEO based action, but you can also use this in other ways. And let me explain what I mean by that. Let's say that you were going to do like a YouTube video, right? You were going to do a YouTube video on the SIG P365, right? Let's type that in and let's look. Okay. Trending keywords, Springfield Hellcat Pro. So if I was going to do a video on the SIG 365, I would actually talk about the Hellcat Pro, compare and contrast them, and I would put that keyword in everything, right? Again, right here, P365 versus Hellcat. The P238 also comes up. That's another trending keyword. Smith & Wesson. I would mention all of these other than maybe Bass Pro Shops, right? You can mention these in your descriptions on your YouTube videos, in your TikTok or whatever. Use these keywords. These are trending keywords, right? Related keywords, right? Then you can talk about how the 365X compares to the SAS, the XL, the 43, maybe some problems that you can literally create a whole YouTube video out of this one right here, right? You're like, I'm going to do a complete review on the P365. Boom, here's review. Talk about the red dot, talk about the accessories, talk about the comparisons between the Hellcat and the 43, talk about the SAS, talk about the XL, talk about some problems that they maybe used to have had and maybe that they still have, right? This is like literally a whole YouTube video that you could build right here that is going to rank like a motherfucker because it is directly pulled from related and trending keywords, right? Long tail keywords, right? Here's more. P365 grip module. Cool. So you can swap out the grip modules, right? So you can use this for whatever type of content you do. It's not only for SEO. This is a really cool keyword tool, and it's free. Like you just install it and it shows up on your search page when you search. So there's not really a whole lot to it. If you need it, it can really help out. Cool. I hope this is helpful. I will try and drop some more content for you guys in the next few days. For those of you guys who don't know, we're going to start doing lives on hopefully maybe Fridays, something like that. We'll do like a live Zoom. I'll get you guys in. We can interact together and go from there. Get you guys in. We can interact together and go from there. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go over to the YouTube channel and subscribe. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go over to the YouTube channel and subscribe. If you are watching this on the YouTube channel and you are not part of our if you are watching this on the YouTube channel and you are not part of our private Facebook group where we cover marketing hacks and tips for private Facebook group where we cover marketing hacks and tips for FFL Dealers, Gunsmiths, Cerakote, whatever it is that you do. Make sure FFL Dealers, Gunsmiths, Cerakote, whatever it is that you do. Make sure to check out the link below. Hop into the Facebook group and join us there. Cool. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.